I am working there now for almost 4 years and masaya ako sa trust ko ngayon. Nag-start ako sa orthopedic ward and yung manager ko doon, very supportive, mabait naman. Medyo stricto lang siya sa mga policies and all that. Pero, ang supportive niya sa akin. And gusto ko talaga yung nursing at that time. For me, it was very fulfilling, the job itself. So, na-enjoy ko yung bedside, na-enjoy ko yung orthopedics. Ang daming mga pasyente doon, especially yung mga older patients na ang dami nilang nasi-share. At always kong tinatanong, pag married sila tas matanda, parang what's the secret of a long and happy marriage? Ang saya lang na nasi-share din nila kung ano yung experience nila. Yun talaga yung pinaka na-enjoy ko. Change ako ng area. Nasa recovery na ako and I'm very happy. Parang meron akong peace of mind. Ang bait ng manager ko. She's very cool. Kaya parang ayoko nang mag-transfer. Like, I don't wanna go somewhere else. I am settled in this place right now.